Good morning, DeFOUW Service customers. I wanted to send you a short video to go over what we're doing here at DeFOUW to make sure our employees, our customers are able to operate in a healthy environment. We're doing our best using the 15-day slowdown guidelines and making sure that we're spreading out our customers who are here in our waiting room. As you can see, Brady, if you want to come around here, Scott Blacker over there, our service director, is spraying down every chair. It's the first thing we do every morning. We spread out all the chairs 6 feet. If you want to walk with me this way, you can see the rest of some of our early bird team here wiping everything down with Lysol wipes. It's something we continuously do throughout the day, wiping all handles. We have a cleaning crew. Go ahead and come out on the drive. We have a cleaning crew that comes through here every night, but continuously through the day, we're wiping down all countertops. The team's wearing gloves. If you don't want to sign an RO or your repair order or the tablet, we'll be able to take a verbal confirmation, wiping down all handles here, and follow us out this way. Thanks, Jeff. Obviously, sometimes we have more than 6 or 5 people in this room, so we continue to spread out options to sit down away from other customers for your safety. And we've also taken a couple offices here. We have an office right here that if maybe a husband and wife are in town or coming to get a vehicle fixed, they can actually sit down in here. And we have another customer workstation in here with a door. We're trying to do everything we can here at DeFOUW, as I said earlier, to have a safe environment for not only our employees, but our customers. With that being said, if you do not feel comfortable coming in and you need your vehicle serviced, for whatever reason you need it serviced, we're here for you. We want you to know that, okay? If we need to come and pick your vehicle up, we are happy to do that. Call in 765-449-2800, ask for the service department, Chevrolet or BMW, and we'll arrange someone from our team to come pick up your vehicle. Maybe you're elderly, maybe you have some other health issues and you're afraid to come in but you need a vehicle. Maybe you're one of our courageous hospital staff or doctors. If you need a vehicle fixed, if something's going on there, we want to make sure you can get to work. So please reach out to us. Like I said, we're trying to find that balance where we believe to be a community leader, and we're listening to what the state is telling us, the federal government, the local government. But as long as we're being told that we should be open, we want to be here to serve you, to keep America rolling and making sure our healthcare providers are able to take care of those people who are struggling with COVID-19. Thank you so much for listening, and God bless.